Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to play two riffs on two strings. These two riffs are hip-hop riffs. One is from Dr. Dre and the other one is from Eve and Gwen Stefani. And they both use the same notes. First I'm going to show you how to play the next episode by Dr. Dre and Eminem. And to play this on the electric guitar, it's nice to have a clean tone with a little bit of treble and to have a slap-back delay, so the time is short and the mix is very low, and a little bit of reverb on top. And this is what it's going to sound like. And we're going to start with our index finger on the 4th fret of the B string. And after we play the 6th fret on the thin E string with our ring finger. And then we play the 6th fret again, then to the 4th fret with the index finger and to the 6th fret back again. So. And play the notes very short. So. And how to play the notes short? You have to press the string and after you picked it with the pick or your finger, release it. Play along with me. 3, 4. And then we're going to use the same pattern again, but on the 4th and the 2nd fret. So 6, 4, 6, 4, 2, 4. So 6, 4, 6, 4, 2, 4. So from the start, 3, 4 and 1. And then we're going to play the 4th and the 2nd fret again. But then we're going to play the 4th fret on the B string. So. And after the 4th fret on the B string, we're going to play the 2nd fret on the thin E string. And that's where we're going to repeat the riff. And if you're going to repeat the riff, you can play the first note with your ring finger or your index finger. I prefer the index finger because that's nice for this first pattern. So, the whole riff sounds like this in a slow tempo. 3, 4 and... Maybe it's hard for you to learn this riff. Therefore you need some more practice. You can practice this riff over and over and over, or you can play easier songs to get at this level. Maybe you can take a look at my online course on gijsmusicacademy.com where I sell the basic module. I'm going to learn you the right techniques and theories you need for playing guitar. We're going to play a lot of songs along with the backing track. So in this course you're going to play a lot of songs. And after that, you can come back to this video and try this one more time. I'm going to show you how to play Blow Your Mind by Eve and Gwen Stefani. Via the link in the description you can download the tabs for free. And don't forget to like this channel and subscribe on my channel for more videos. So Blow Your Mind uses the same notes as the next episode, and this is what it's going to sound like. We start on the 4th fret on the B string, and after you play the 2nd fret on the thin E string, and then we'll play with a ring finger the 4th fret on the thin E string. So. And you also have to play the note short at this riff. So. And then you're going to slide from the 4th fret with your ring finger to the 6th fret. So 4 on the B string, 2nd on the thin E string, 4 on the thin E string, and then 4 again and a slide to the 6th. And then we're going to play the 4th fret again on the thin E string, the 2nd fret, and then the 4th fret on the B strings. So we're going to walk to the 6th fret, and then we're going to walk back to the 4th fret of the B string. One more time. And after that you have to make a slide to the head of the guitar. So from the 4th fret, wait a little bit and then slide it back. So the whole riff is going to sound like this. 3, 4, 1. And if you're playing on the electric guitar, it's nice to play it higher up the neck. So you play it on the 16th fret of the B string, and then it's the exact same pattern. And the taps will appear here right now, and it's going to sound like this. And you can make the slide longer for the last notes. So you can download the tabs for free in the link via the description, and I hope to see you in my next videos. So don't forget to subscribe on my channel, to like this video and leave a comment in the comment section.